it's Kim here in the creative classroom at Spellbinders, and we're having a blast creating a whole series of videos talking about BetterPress, the brand new system by Spellbinders. And in today's video, I thought let's jump right into what's included in your BetterPress system. So here we have a system in front of us, all boxed up. I'm going to take it apart and share with you exactly what comes in the system by itself. We of course have a lot of extra fun things and different plates you can add on, but really everything you need to get started is right here in this box. Pull out all the parts and pieces here. Move some of this cardboard away, and excuse me 1 minute while I get the plastic off. Go ahead and pull this out so I can show you all the fun things. There we go. So first of all, you're going to have a little instruction booklet. It's going to tell you how to create all your prints. Keep that, set it aside. Step-by-step instructions. That's going to be amazing. And of course, we're going to do all kinds of videos showing you that too. So if you are a visual learner, that will be handy. Does come with an exclusive BetterPress Plate. But let's get to the actual system itself. I'm going to pop off this top part, which is called the Platen, and remove the cardboard. It's all packed very nicely. So first of all, you'll see the actual main part of the system itself, which is right here under my hand. This is called the chase. So the chase has a magnetic platform on top, which of course you can pop off. Again, we'll talk about this in additional videos, but this is going to hold your press plates perfectly in place because it is a nice thick magnet. It does have 3 shims in the system too, 1, 2, 3. This allows you to create projects with different thicknesses of paper. When you do get started, you're going to want to put all 3 shims right in the Platen, in the chase, right underneath your magnetic insert. So pop that on top. That's where the shims go. And again, if you use thicker paper later on down the line, you have the ability to remove one of those shims if you need to. This is really the beauty of the BetterPress system, why it's better than a traditional letterpress. We do have this platform on top, which is held in place by these magnets. The magnets are on springs, so if I kind of give you a little bit of this angle, you can see that it holds the top part, the chase, away from, the Platen away from the chase. So it's got these magnets right here. That's going to allow us to ink the plates and not have it touch the paper until we're ready. Of course, this has a little plastic film on, which you're going to want to remove before you start your actual crafting. So again, exclusive BetterPress Plate. This does have 2 sentiments on it, just because we're kind of playing to our customers out there in the UK or maybe even in Canada. Some of us spell favorite with the U in it, so we give you the option with both sentiments right there. You're going to have both options to play with. You do have a BetterPress ink included. That is our BetterPress Black, gorgeous special ink that you're going to use. You do have a little sample roll of our Best Ever craft tape. Love that. Another piece of cardboard. And then you have a sample pack of our cotton press panels, card panels. This is going to have 15 card panels in all 3 colors of the papers that we are introducing with the BetterPress system. So there are all the parts and pieces of our BetterPress system. We're going to, of course, do additional videos walking you through how to get started, how to create your first prints. And we know that you're going to absolutely love creating stunning, stunning projects with this brand new system from Spellbinders. So we'll catch you on the next video. We'll see you then.